one unit. So I believe we can make something for global education, not for specifically area. When we also make the big cooperation between one organization, for example, from UK, from Malaysia, from Australia, from Qatar, for example, from Kuwait. So we all together, we can contribute to make something for globally in education area. For us, we focus specifically globally to support students who needs education, specifically in higher education, and degree, bachelor degree, master degree, also PhD degree. So that student will get their education and when they return back to their country and they make development inside country. So I believe we make at least things as globally for these people. For example, if we teach and give that educational opportunity for students from Yemen, from Afghanistan, from Palestine, from Myanmar, from China, for example, so we make like tent. That tent is like you can support everyone around the world. They come here in Malaysia, for example, study, and they return in their home and they make that development. So we believe could this message all the educational foundations work on, and also when we have one unit for all educational foundation and organizations, governmentally or non-governmentally, so we work together better and very efficiency for education, and specifically for who want or who need the educations. And the right of education is the right for everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Aya, for taking time for our interview.
Thank you so much to be here in ISCO, and I am so glad to interview and to see you and to speak just about the education. And I hope this message also to be for all people and all your colleagues, and my salam to them, and all the best in your study in the future. And my message is the education is the main thing how the countries can development and how the people can make different things inside their country. So make the education as priority of your life. Thank you and welcome, and see you again in any time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.